Switchblades.tv presents available at assistedknife.com. Roadsideimports.com presents the Boker Jim Wagner reality-based automatic. The new reality-based Recurve is ideal for everyday carry. The impressive result is a lightweight but sturdy knife that proves to be reliable and highly functional. The black-coated 440C stainless steel blade is locked in the open position with the push of a button lock. It includes a reversible pocket clip and an interchangeable glass breaker tip and a false writing pen tip. Available at assistedknife.com. Got questions? I got answers. Email me at jb@roadsideimports.com